Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make an amazing brightening soap using authentic black African soap and all natural ingredients. This is a gentle nourishing recipe that is great for glowing skin. Let's get started. So first, we have our raw African black soap. This soap is rich in antioxidants and it helps with variety of skin issues from acne to dark spots. And to start, we are going to dice this into smaller cubes. This makes it easier to blend and mix. Now, it's time to add in our natural ingredients. We have a mix of organic oils that will help moisturize, soothe, and brighten the skin, just like sunflower oil, avocado oil, and few of vitamin E oil. These oils will give our soap a smooth, creamy texture and add even more skin-loving benefits. Now our organic ingredients or natural ingredients are properly mixed together with our oils. You're also going to add a bit of water in case it's thick. So now we are going to take it into our blender. You're mine for sure. So now you have added everything into your blender. You're going to blend it till it's smooth, just like this. But this is a bit still thick, so we are still going in to add a bit of water and we'll blend it till it's very smooth. Our soap is blended to perfection. Now we're going to pour it into our packaging jars. And that is it. You have just made your own African brightening black soap. It's full of natural skin loving ingredients that will leave your skin glowing and refreshed. So if you're interested in trying out our ready-made fix me Asian black soap, head over to our website at Vnkhospitality.com. Search for it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And we are also available for training. Until next time, keep glowing naturally. Bye.